Welcome to our video on the 5 best teas that cleanse arteries and lower blood sugar. Diabetes and heart disease can be incredibly hard to treat if left unchecked. You may think that the only way to manage these chronic diseases is by following a strict diet plan that involves bland-tasting drinks. But what if I told you that teas can be the key to healthier arteries and balanced blood sugar? In this video, we'll examine how each tea cleans your arteries and balances your blood sugar. And by the end, you'll know how to add these to your daily routine for better health. So let's get started. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea has long been a go-to choice for those looking to relax and unwind. However, recent studies have shown that this gentle brew is doing more than just helping you drift off to sleep. Scientists have discovered that chamomile tea is rich in flavonoids. These are natural compounds that can help lower blood sugar levels. But how exactly does chamomile tea work on blood sugar? People with type 2 diabetes who drank chamomile tea 3 times a day after meals saw a drop in their A1C levels in just 8 weeks. A1C is a measure of average blood sugar over time. And that's not all chamomile tea can do. The same study showed that drinking chamomile tea led to lower insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body regulate blood sugar levels. When you have insulin resistance, it can be hard for your body to respond to insulin. Chamomile tea seems to help improve this, making it easier for your body to use insulin and keep your blood sugar in check. Chamomile tea is also packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight off harmful molecules in your body that can damage your cells, including the cells in your blood vessels. By protecting your blood vessels from damage, chamomile tea can help keep your arteries healthy and clear. This is especially important for people with diabetes who are at higher risk for heart and blood vessel problems. You can enjoy chamomile tea hot or cold or any time of the day since it is naturally caffeine-free. To get the most benefit, try drinking a cup of chamomile tea after each meal. You might find it helps you feel more relaxed and balanced, while also giving your body a boost in managing blood sugar. Moving on to our list at number 4 is Yerba Mate. While chamomile tea is perfect for winding down, our next tea does just the opposite. What if there was a drink that could energize you and lower your blood sugar at the same time? Yerba Mate is a powerful tea that's been used for centuries in South America. It is known for its high antioxidant content. These are the good guys that fight off harmful molecules in your body. But what makes Yerba Mate special is how it can help with both your energy levels and your blood sugar. Studies found that people who drank Yerba Mate tea 3 times a day for 60 days saw their fasting blood sugar drop by 25 milligrams per deciliter. That's a big change. Even better, their A1C levels, which show average blood sugar over time, went down by 0.85%. Yerba Mate tea is full of compounds that can help lower bad cholesterol. This means less gunk building up in your blood vessels, keeping them clear and healthy. Moreover, Yerba Mate tea gives you a boost. It has caffeine, just like coffee. But many people find that the energy from Yerba Mate lasts longer. You get the alertness without the jitters or crash that can come with coffee. This energy boost is great news for people with diabetes. When your blood sugar is high, you often feel tired. Yerba Mate can help you feel more awake and focused, making it easier to stick to healthy habits like exercising and eating well. But here's something important to remember. Yerba Mate tea has a lot of caffeine. If you're sensitive to caffeine or have certain health conditions, it might not be the best choice for you. So how can you add Yerba Mate tea to your day? Many people enjoy it in the morning as a coffee replacement. You can brew it hot like regular tea or try it cold over ice. To experience its benefits, try drinking Yerba Mate 3 times a day. You could have a cup with breakfast, one in the afternoon for a pick-me-up, and another with dinner. Moving on to our list at number 3 is cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea contains polyphenols called procyanidin. This compound acts a bit like insulin in your body. So by drinking cinnamon tea, you're giving your body a little extra help in managing blood sugar levels. When your cells can use sugar better, there's less of it floating around in your blood. But how well does it work? A study looked at people who took cinnamon for 90 days. Their A1C levels, that's a measure of average blood sugar over time, went down by 0.83%. That's a big improvement. Here's a fun fact. Cinnamon tea is often called an anti-diabetic drink, which is a way of saying it helps fight against the effects of diabetes. But remember, while cinnamon tea can help, it's not a replacement for any medicine your doctor has given you. Let's look at some more numbers. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower your fasting blood sugar, the sugar in your blood when you haven't eaten for a while, by about 19.26 milligrams per deciliter on average. This is important since high fasting blood sugar usually leads to insulin resistance. Moreover, precyanidin can protect your heart and prevent high blood pressure. This compound has anti-inflammatory effects that can manage chronic inflammation in the heart caused by high cholesterol. One of the best things about cinnamon tea is that it's so easy to find and make. To make the tea, just add a stick of cinnamon or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to hot water and let it sit for a few minutes. When brewing cinnamon tea, you don't have to add sugar because it is naturally sweet. This makes it a great choice if you're trying to cut back on sugar but still want something tasty to drink. Next on our countdown, at number 2, is Mulberry. Mulberry is a tea that could target those tricky after-meal blood sugar spikes. This tea might not be as famous as some other teas, but it's quickly gaining attention for its impressive health benefits. Let's talk about what makes mulberry tea special. It has a unique compound called DNJ, short for 1-deoxynogermycin. This tongue twister of a name slows down how your body absorbs carbs from your food. This means less sugar gets into your blood all at once after you eat. One study found that drinking just 70 milliliters of mulberry tea after breakfast can decrease fasting blood sugar. That's the sugar in your blood when you haven't eaten for a while, by 25 milligrams per deciliter, and blood sugar after eating dropped by 77 milligrams per deciliter. These numbers mean that mulberry tea can help keep your blood sugar from spiking too high after you eat. Additionally, mulberry tea also helps keep your arteries clean. The same things in mulberry tea that help with blood sugar also fight off bad cholesterol. Less bad cholesterol means cleaner, healthier arteries. The best time to drink this tea is right after a meal, especially if you've eaten something with a lot of carbs. This is when mulberry tea can work its best, helping to slow down the sugar rush from your food. You can find mulberry tea in health food stores or online. It comes in tea bags or as loose leaves. Some people even mix it with other teas for extra flavor. If you're not sure about the taste, try mixing it with a bit of cinnamon or lemon for a twist. The good thing about this tea is that, unlike some medicines that force your body to do something, mulberry tea just helps your digestive system take things a bit slower. This gentle approach means it's often easier on your body. Now that we've explored some great options, let's turn to a tea that's truly in a league of its own. Last but not least, our number 1 pick for managing blood sugar and promoting artery health is Oolong Tea. This tea appears as a golden brown brew thanks to its unique fermentation process. This special method enhances oolong's polyphenol content, making it a powerhouse of health benefits. Oolong works in 2 ways to keep your blood sugar in check. First, it slows down how quickly your body takes in sugar from food. Second, it helps your body digest carbs more slowly. Moreover, the polyphenols in this tea fight off bad cholesterol, LDL, which usually causes the formation of plaque in your arteries. A study from the British Journal found that long-term drinking oolong tea can decrease LDL cholesterol levels and lower the risk of dyslipidemia. To add oolong tea to your routine, have a cup with breakfast or after lunch. The taste is smooth and pleasant, falling somewhere between green tea and black tea. One of the best things about oolong is how quickly it can make a difference. Remember, those big changes in blood sugar happened in just 30 days. So by the time drinking oolong becomes part of your routine, you might already be seeing benefits. It's important to note that while oolong is powerful, it's not a magic cure. It works best as part of a healthy lifestyle that includes a good diet and regular exercise. And there you have it. We've explored 5 teas that can help manage blood sugar and keep arteries healthy. Chamomile, yerba mate, cinnamon, mulberry, and oolong tea. Remember, while these teas offer health benefits, they're not replacements for medication. Always consult with your doctor before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have diabetes or other health conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. We'd love to hear from you. Which one of these teas will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Also, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Thanks for watching, stay healthy and take care.